In this video, you will learn how to create an interactive checkbox in Excel. So hover your mouse to the ribbon, right-click anywhere on the ribbon, choose or select Customize the ribbon. Now the Excel option dialog box comes out. Hover your mouse to where you have the checkbox, where you have developer, put a tick on it, and then click OK. Now you would notice that a new tab appears in the ribbon named Developer. Click on it, go to the Controls group, click the button Insert. You will find that there are two options for creating checkbox. The first option is the Form Controls, which allows you to create simple checkbox for form filling or for your spreadsheet. Now the second option here is the Active X Controls. It allows for more advanced options when interacting with different elements you insert into your spreadsheet. For this video, we will be using the form control option because we want to create a simple checkbox which the user can select or deselect. So I'll place a tick. I'll click on this checkbox. Now, if you look closely, you will notice that the cursor now changes its appearance to a plus sign. Now position your cursor to where you want to create your checkbox. Click and drag. Click and drag. So it is easy to adjust your checkbox by clicking on the circles there, and then you can adjust your checkbox. You can also move it to the desired position. Click, hold, and adjust it nicely. Okay, then click anywhere in the cell. Now you can put a tick in the box via the test, or you can click in the box to place a tick. So I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.